that the learning can take place well. Who is the class leader?
Mimi.
Please, Jihan, let your friend to pray.
Everyone praying. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Jihan. Okay, class, good morning today.
Good morning.
How are you guys?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good enough, thank you. Okay, today we will learn about probability. Now, before entering the core material, Miss want to ask you, how much your pocket money today? Okay, let's check your pocket money today. I have this. Okay, Nova, how much your pocket money? 6,000 rupiah, Miss. Okay. Among your pocket money today, have any coins in there? Yes. Okay. No. Okay. Okay, Azza, can I borrow your one coin?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, thank you, Azza. Okay, guys. Have you ever looked at each side of the coin? What are the pictures on each side?
Number
and numbers. Okay, good. There is a number and picture. I was delighted when I was little. I often played game using these coins with my friends. When the game is to guess which sides will come out after being thrown. Apart from that, I used to short bottom make up answers to the test given if it's true back it up. How about you?
Yes, Miss. I've ever count the short button to answer test.
Alright, enough for sharing today. Next, Miss will give you a card containing a picture of clothes. Okay, this is many clothes and pants. Okay, everyone pay attention to the picture on its card. Now Miss will read a little story behind the card and you can discuss with your friend. The story is, one day Sinta was invited by her friend to a birthday celebration. One day before leaving, Sinta had prepared some items that she would bring, including a gift for her friend later. But Sinta found a little problem. She had chosen some clothes to wear later, but she was confused to determine a set of clothes to wear. Sinta was confused to mix and match the clothes to be worn, where there were blue blues, magenta blues, and pattern blues, as well as black pants, brown skirts, and floral skirts. Now, you can discuss to help Sinta to mix and match the clothes that would be good for her to wear for the birthday celebration. You can arrange the cards into a set of clothes and write it down on paper and choose the best set of clothes that Sinta should wear and the reason. Understand?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Make a circle.
What do you have?
I have fruit.
Oh,
Tutup.
I have so many clothes. I think this shirt will be matched with this clothes.
Yes. I think so.
Here.
And what's your opinion, guys?
This one?
This one? Blue and okay.
This? Yes.
Is it done?
No.
No matching. There's this.
Oh yes.
And then
How about
yes, this.
So we have 4 match clothes. Guys.
Is it done? Can I see the result? Who wants to explain the result of the best that can Sinta should wear to birthday celebration? Okay, Asrina. What it is?
Maybe this is the best side is
Why?
because I like color.
Okay, thank you, Asrina.
Yay!
Okay, how many ways can Sinta choose a top wear? How many? 3. Which?
Blue blues,
Magenta blues.
and pattern blues.
Okay. Okay, that's right, guys. There is a 3 ways Sinta choose a top wear. There is blue blues, magenta blues, and pattern blues. Next, how many ways can Sinta choose which subordinate outfit to wear?
3.
What?
Black pant
Yes.
and
Floral skirt.
Okay, purple skirt. Okay, that's right. There is 3. Can Sinta choose? Black pant, purple skirt, and floral skirt. And next, how many ways can Sinta do to mix and match tops and bottoms that she wants to wear to the event? 9. Okay, that's right. There is 9. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, and 9. Understand?
yes.
Okay, all. You can back to the first position, please.
Yes,
please. Okay. The way can Sinta choose to top wear or bottom wear, and how Sinta mix and match the outfit. There is example for sample point and sample space. Now, what is sample point and sample space? Anyone knows?
No.
Okay. Let me know you. From experiment tossing a coin. Sample point is equal outcome. What is outcome? The outcome from tossing coin is number and picture. Outcome, one and only one per experiment, mutually exclusive and cannot occur simultaneously. Like this. From experiment one coin, this is the outcome is picture, and this is our number. So the outcome from tossing a coin is number or picture. And sample space is set of all possible outcome denoted by S and B. And now how about tossing 2 coins?
Picture and picture means number and picture. Number and number.
Tossing 2 coins. Okay, first, Jihan.
Number and picture.
Number and picture. 2, Azhar.
Picture and picture.
Nida?
Number and number means.
Okay, number and number. And Asina?
Picture and number.
Picture and number. Pay attention for number 4 because number 4 same with number 3. Number 4 can be moved. So the sample point from tossing 2 coins, there are 4 sample points. And the sample space is NP, PP, NN, and PN. Understand the difference from sample point and sample space?
Understand me?
Yes, understand Miss. Okay. Okay, now in here Miss have 2 dice and I want you to experiment with these dice. Okay?
Okay, Miss.
In
Me.
now group activity, find your partner 2 until 3 students quietly and answer the activity. After doing the coin experiment, now take your 2 dice, then roll the 2 dice on the table together. Write down the possible outcomes using the table on your paper. Understand?
Understand? Yes.
Okay. Let your partner.
One, four. One, four. Here. Yes. One, four. 1, 5. 1, 5. 2, 5. 2, 5. 4, 2. 2, 4.
So, that's enough?
Yes.
Okay. It is same as mine.
Yes.
Okay. Next, how many possible outcomes occur in a 2 dice rolling experiment?
1, 2, 3.
How many?
6. Means 6.
Okay, good. 36. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. This is individual activity. The guide question. 1. Take 1 coin and 1 dice that you have. Second, throw the 2 objects together on the table. Third, write down the possibilities in 3 diagrams on your paper. Understand?
Understand?
Okay.
Picture and 3. Picture and 2. Picture and 4.
That's enough? Need enough enough?
Yes.
Okay. It is same as mine.
Yes. Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you. From the experiment of tossing a coin and rolling the dice, any question?
No. No, miss.
Okay. Now, abstraction. What is a sample point and sample space?
Sample point is outcome.
Okay. A sample point is one of the experiment's potential outcomes in a probabilistic experiment. A sample point is traditionally represented by small s. The sample points may alternatively be referred to as observation or sampling units. The total of the sample points of a sample space is equal to 1. Sample space contains all the sample points that are also called an outcome. A sample space represented by big S. Now, how to determine the sample point and number of sample space of a coin experiment? After completing the activities given earlier, the way to determine the sample points of an experiment on a coin is by writing in a table entry diagram. The relationship we can draw about the number of sample spaces from tossing one coin, 2 coins, and 3 coins is: one coin is flipped and there are 2 possibilities. 2 coins are tossed and 4 possibilities. 3 coins are flipped and there are 8 possibilities. Okay, so it can be concluded that if there are n coins, float, then many sample spaces for coins are and S is equals to the power of n. How to determine the sample point and number of sample space of a dice experiment? After completing the activities given earlier, the way to determine the sample points of an experiment on a coin is by writing in a table entry diagram. The relationship that we can draw about the number of sample spaces from throwing 1 dice and 2 dice is: 1 dice is rolled and there are 6 possibilities. 2 dice rolled obtain 36 possibilities. So it can be concluded that if there are n dice rolled, the number of sample space for the dice is S is equals 6 to the power of n. Next, how to determine the sample point and sample space of an experiment on 2 objects? After completing the activities given earlier, the way to determine the sample points of an experiment on 2 objects is by writing in a table entry diagram. Suppose there are 2 experimental objects. The first object has n1 possibilities, while the second object has n2 possibilities. 2 objects. This is n1 and 2. So the experiments are conducted simultaneously. Then the number of sample space is ns is equals n1 times n2. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. Next, because you already understand, you can answer the given problem below, number 1 and number 2. Okay? Does anyone want to come forward?
Miss.
Okay, Jihan. What's number?
1.
Okay, let's go.
I want this.
Okay, Azza?
Number 2.
Okay, let's go. Okay, thank you, Jihan and Azza. Do you think it's correct, guys? Yes. Okay, that's right. Now, evaluation. This is an evaluation you can do at home. We'll discuss it next week. Okay? Because the bell has rung, we end today's learning. That's enough for today. Good afternoon. See you in class next week. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.